everybody, it's Firelight 457, and welcome to the intro of my New Year's fire alarm sound off. Right now, you can't really see anything because, you can maybe see the fan, but I'm just laying in bed for right now because I'm pretty tired and anyways, so I'll get back to y'all in about after 11:45, and I'll talk to y'all about what all happened this year. See you then, everybody. Hey guys, welcome back. The time is now 11:47, and so I just want to say that this year has been a little bit better than last year, which was 2020, thanks to the fact that vaccines have developed to help conquer this virus. And now moving on to everything fire alarm related. Back at the very start of this year, back in January, I still had that little demo board with my power supply that I was still using. And I've been using that up until the end of March, and then at the end of March I got my taxes, and Hunter Cullen requested me to get the PFC-4064 as my first fire alarm panel, and so that's what I did. So special shout out to Hunter Cullen for talking me into getting this panel. And then moving on, after that, started just making just regular system tests with the PFC-4064, and only up until about September. Now, back in July, I had to have surgery for a pilonidal cyst, and so that was kind of a difficult time for me. I wasn't able to lift my demo board or anything. And also, back in August, I started a new job, and I continued that job for like 3 months, but then I lost it back at the beginning of November due to an incident I had at work in October, and that was when I accidentally crashed an electrical cart into a fire alarm pull station, setting off all the fire alarms, causing everybody to evacuate, and it was just embarrassing. And then they just thought that after that, I wasn't the right person for the job anymore. So I've moved on back to just working at the grocery store. And by the way, back in September, I started getting Social Security benefits, and back in August, I got a big check from Social Security of $12,000, And that made me wanting to get an addressable fire alarm panel, which I now have is the MS9600 UDLS. So what's going to happen when it's 12 o'clock? I'm gonna press the drill button on the annunciator for the 4064, and I'm also gonna pull this pull station, which is gonna set off both of my systems at the same time. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a big fire alarm sound off. I'm doing Edwards devices versus Siemens devices. I have Edwards devices on my PFC-4064 and Siemens devices on my 9600 system. Alright. The time is now 11:52, and when it reaches 11:58, I'll get back to y'all. So, see you then, everybody. Hi, everybody. I'm back. I have to figure I'm going to do this in the dark with my garland lit up. So, time is now 11:59. We got 1 minute until the ball drops. Now, as you go forth into the new year, think about what all awaits you, about what you're planning to be doing, that it's anything that's fire alarm related. I would love to see that. Y'all comment down below of what y'all planning on doing in the next year related to fire alarms. Alright. It's about time. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everybody! Welcome to the new 2022 New Year. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will see you next time.